entering into the facility without too much issue, you discovered Brother Matthew entering inside. Apparently, you weren't supposed to be here yet, and you found this place before he had anticipated. Figuring this all out beforehand, you tailed two people heading this direction, and ignored the two people that were heading back to where the giant crystal in the sky fell. Mainly because Shade had a crazy perception check. But beyond this, you managed to get back inside. He gave you an ultimatum: either leave with your happiness or stay and try to save lives. Choosing to try to do both, you managed to grab Kelmore's sister and freeze the whatever thing is underneath these 6 people. What happens now? Well, that's entirely up to your team. Whether you live or die, well, that's up to you. Bartholomew.
Oh, it's up to me now. Alright. Well, as I previously stated, I will use my polymorph to save the souls by becoming a giant ape. So I don't know if I want to drop a token or just make mine bigger or whatever, but yeah.
Alright.
Ah! Hold up.
For now, just make yours bigger. Until I look for a giant ape.
Hang on, what? You cut out.
For now, I'll make yours bigger until I find a giant ape.
Oh, okay, thank you. Alright, let me try and find... Okay, yeah. So now I am a giant ape. So I'm gonna Donkey Kong my way over 40 feet, because I can move that far now. And I'm just gonna do a big ol' go from one end with my arm, and then like sweep across till they're all off of the... Oh wait, shit, they're in a... Oh no, they're not in the cage anymore, never mind. I'll sweep them all off
They're in a cage.
for my action, if that's... They are in the cage,
Yes.
but I thought you said it was dropped.
Yes. The cage just dropped, but they were inside the cage.
Okay. So it didn't drop so far as to... Okay.
It's sitting on the ice. Like, even if you could tip it over, like onto the ground, that would be safer than where they are.
Yeah, that instead, in that case, that's what I will do. I will use my monkey strength, and I will just tip it, like, pretty much tip it over. Oh, there we go.
Can you still see with the monkey?
I can see.
I can see the monkey, yes. And... Oh, why is everything black?
Yeah, that's what I thought. How about now?
Everything's black, like my heart. There we go. Alright then. Hang on, let me add his health to the health slot real quick, just so we have a visual. But yeah, that's what I'm doing for my turn.
All right. Trying to drag them out of the area will be a good strength roll. While you are capable of doing it, you doing it is something of itself.
Yes.
Use your
Alright. Yes. So
your monkey strength would be an athletics check.
hello, say again? You keep cutting out for me. I don't know if it's me or what.
Might be.
Cuts out for me too.
I don't know. Athletics check.
Alright, let me see if I have any special modifiers. Oh, I have a +9 to athletics as a giant ape, so... Let me just... What I get?
20
Yes! That's a pretty good roll.
That is a pretty good roll. 1 second.